How far do you have to move over for Virginia's move over law? Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm going to answer this question posed by friend of the channel, Rob. Rob says he was driving along at a safe rate of speed below the speed limit when he moved over and passed by a police officer stopped on the side of the road. Well, the officer chased him down, and while he ultimately did not get a ticket, Rob definitely felt harassed, and he wanted to know, why did the officer pull him over when he was clearly going below the speed limit? Well, first of all, Virginia's move over law requires, if it is a two-lane road, that is one lane going each way, that you simply slow down and move at a safe speed. If it is a two lanes each way or more, then you are required to move into the lane away from the officer, presumably the middle or left lane, and then move at a safe rate of speed. Now, the terms safe rate of speed and several other terms in this statute are somewhat vague. Reasonable, safe, words like that. Who decides? Well, Rob's argument was it's 45 miles an hour and I was going less than 45, therefore I felt it was safe. Now, of course, the person that actually decides whether it's safe is the judge. The judge, the one person involved in all of this who couldn't see it, wasn't there, and has no idea whether it was safe. So, upon whom do you think the judge is going to rely to decide whether or not Rob's driving was safe? Of course, he's going to rely on the police officer. So, as a practical matter, it is the police officer that decides what is reasonable in that place and what is safe. And I think the important thing to remember here is that what seems safe to us while we are ensconced in metal and have seat belts on us may not be what seems safe to the officer protected by no more than his uniform and a belt, standing on the side of the road as cars whiz by. 45 miles an hour seems pretty slow when you're driving it, but it may seem blindingly fast when you're watching it go by you on the side of the road. So what's the right answer? Do more than you think is safe. Go out of your way to let the police officer see that you're going overboard to be safe. Is that the law? No. Is that the good idea under the way the law is actually going to work? Yes. So there you have it. Take extra care. Drive like you think your little grandma would, and stay safe out there. That's everything I've got. If you would like to talk to me about Virginia's move over law or any other aspect of the law, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you. And you have a great day.